Hi, I'm Julianne Cost. Let's take a moment to see how easy it is to remove reflections in Windows using Adobe Camera Raw's new Remove Reflections technical preview. With the RAW file selected, let's enable Before and After View so that we can compare the results. Then I'll select the Remove panel, select the Remove tool, and under Distraction Removal, enable Reflections. The AI learning model tries to separate the image of the mannequin behind the plate glass window and the reflection created by the window. Now we can see the learning model's best prediction of what the scene looks like without the reflections. If you want to see the model's prediction of the scene that was reflected in the plate glass window, we can move the slider to the left. This can be useful if the learning model accidentally presents the reflection as the primary image, which can happen with complex reflections. Let's take a look at a few additional examples with some tips from the engineering team. First, the model is applied to the entire uncropped image, so you can choose to crop before or after removing reflections. Second, this first iteration of the technology is designed specifically to address reflections from a plate glass window that covers most or all of the field of view. It's not designed to remove reflections from windows that are small or far away, nor will it remove the reflections in objects such as the body of a car or in a drinking glass. Third, if the reflection pushes highlights to the image to pure white, the model won't be able to guess what the original scene might have looked like without the reflection. Because the learning model is not generative, it won't create objects that weren't present in the original photograph. Instead, it may insert dark or noisy pixels, but it won't try to guess what might have been in the original scene. Of course, you can always select the area and use generative fill in Photoshop if you want to replace those areas with generated content. Fourth, currently, reflection removal is only available in Camera Raw as a technology preview in order for the team to get feedback from the community. However, it will be coming soon to Lightroom. Excellent. For additional information, be sure to check out the blog in the description below.